OpenOffice Writer 4.1 Special Pagination Issues. OpenOffice Writer contains a number of paragraph formatting options that allows you to change how a paragraph splits over the end of a page. To view the paragraph format settings, select Format Paragraph. There are three options. Keep with next paragraph keeps the whole paragraph onto the one page. Orphan control changes the number of lines that appear at the bottom of a page when a page splits a paragraph. Window control changes the number of lines that appear at the top of the next page when a page break splits a paragraph. If we change window control to 3 lines in this example and select OK, you will see that now there are 3 lines at the bottom of the next page belonging to the paragraph. We can also select it by right-clicking, choosing paragraph, and selecting Keep with Next Paragraph, and the whole paragraph now jumps to the top of page 4.